Good evening, everyone. I am Manjula with you. Our minister is also a good dancer. Modi praised the Union Minister's dance. Arunachal Pradesh is a state bordering China. Union Minister Kiran Rijiju hails from the tribal dominated state. Recently, the minister visited Kazalang village in Arunachal Pradesh. Arrived at the village, he was greeted by the Sajalang people of Sajalak village who played their traditional dance. So excited was Kiran Rijiju that he enjoyed the traditional dance of the people in the presence of the villagers. He shared this video on his Twitter page. In his Twitter post on this, he said, I went to the beautiful Kajalang village to visit the Vivekananda Kendra Vidyalaya projects. No matter who comes to the village as guests, the Sajalang people will happily welcome them like this. Such folk songs and dances are important to every community in Arunachal Pradesh. Retweeting his post, Prime Minister Modi said, Our Law Minister is also a good dancer. It is pleasure to see the vibrant and glorious culture of Arunachal Pradesh. Tata Group to acquire Air India. Official announcement soon. A statement from the Ministry of Civil Aviation said, the media coverage of the sale of Air India to the private sector is false. The Ministry of Civil Aviation has said that the decisions to privatize Air India will be taken to the media. So far, the Tata Group has bid the highest bid. The cabinet headed by Amit Shah will decide on the matter, officials said. Panai Vellam, Tamil Nadu government in ration shops. The agriculture budget was tabled in the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly at the end of the session. Then, the Minister of the Department M.R.K. Pannirselvam had made various important announcements. It published an announcement regarding palm trees and palm-based products. A notice was also issued seeking permission from the district collector to cut down the palm tree. It was also announced that products including jaggery would be arranged for sale at ration shops. In this situation, the government of Tamil Nadu has issued an order to sell palm kernels in certain fair price shops and illicit shops in Tamil Nadu. The government has issued a plan to sell 100 grams to 1 kg of jaggery in ration shops. 367 for 100 in West Bengal. An incident in which a university in West Bengal was given a score above 1 has gone viral. It has become routine for some confusion to occur from time to time, as many universities are running as online exam due to corona in recent times. But a riot at a university in West Bengal has taken students by surprise. Vishwa Bharati University of West Bengal has recently released the scores for its recent MA degree online. The total marks in the exam with 100 marks for many 151, 196 up to a maximum of 367 marks have been given. The incident came as a surprise to the students as the university administration said that the marks were recorded due to a technical glitch and would be rectified soon. Union Minister L. Murugan has been sworn in as a member of the State Council. Union Minister L. Murugan was sworn in as a member of the State Council. Vice President Venkaiah Naidu administered the oath of office to L. Murugan. L. Murugan was elected member of the State Council from the state of Madhya Pradesh. Punjab Chief Minister Saranjit Singh Sahni met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi. Punjab Chief Minister Saranjit Singh Sahni met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Delhi. Saranjit Singh later told reporters that he had requested the Prime Minister to negotiate and resolve the farmer struggle. He also urged the Prime Minister to withdraw the new agricultural laws. Have a good day. See you again. Thank you.